Hello and welcome to our YouTube Shorts video. Today we're going to explore the question, are bones stronger than steel? You may have heard the saying that bones are stronger than steel. But is that really true? Bones are made up of a combination of collagen, calcium, and other minerals. They are incredibly strong and resilient, able to withstand significant amounts of force and pressure. Steel, on the other hand, is an alloy of iron and carbon. It is known for its strength and durability, and is widely used in construction, manufacturing, and other industries. So, which is stronger? As you can see, steel is strong, but it is also malleable. It can be bent and shaped without breaking. Bones, on the other hand, are incredibly strong and rigid. They are designed to resist bending and breaking. However, bones are not invincible. They can be broken or fractured under extreme force. So, while bones may not be stronger than steel in terms of raw strength, they are designed to resist forces that can break steel. The next time you hear the saying that bones are stronger than steel, remember that it's not entirely accurate. But bones are still incredibly strong and resilient, and play a crucial role in keeping us upright and mobile.